start by welding the front end compartment. In this mid-engine vehicle, it will actually house the boot. The welder works with a torch that heats up to 900 degrees Celsius. More than enough to melt two pieces of metal together in seconds. Aluminium welding is challenging. Aluminium alloys have a lower melting point than steel, so workers have to be extremely quick and precise to avoid burning through the metal. After 29 minutes, the front compartment is done. Next, technicians weld the center passenger compartment. The conveyor positions the part at chest level. This way, the welders are working in the best ergonomic position. The technician moves the finished passenger compartment to a staging area. At station 3, they complete the rear bulkhead. But the space frame is built in 3 separate sections. The welders need to fuse them into one. Assemblers weld them together using overlapping joints that entwine with each other. The completed space frame creates an exceptionally stiff structure on the road.
Typically, when you make something stronger, you make it heavier. But when they went to the aluminum material for the space frame, they were able to gain a lot of strength and also reduce a lot of weight at the same time. They end up with a much stronger platform to build the car around. And that means the suspension works better, the car is more luxurious, and at the same time, of course, it's sportier as well.
Next, the conveyor crane brings in the first aluminium body panel, the hydroformed roof. Now the skeleton takes on the shape of a car. The integrated panels and posts of the space frame could save the driver's life. If an accident occurs, the aluminium members in the front and rear are designed to crumple like an accordion. They absorb the tremendous energy and spare the driver's cage from the full force of the impact. The uber-strong space frame confounded a film crew that actually wanted to wreck the car. Producers for the movie blockbuster Iron Man cast the R8 as the ideal sports car for high-tech billionaire Tony Stark. It's also a fitting match to Stark's alter ego, Iron Man. The R8's headlights and sculptured body resemble the superhero's eyes and armor. But the car had more than movie star looks. The R8 space frame was so well built, it changed the ending of the film. The stunt directors originally planned to collide the R8 with Iron Man's evil adversary, then flip it over.
We set a big stunt where we're going to cable the car up and it's going to go up a ramp and it's going to flip and do all these things. They couldn't get it to do it. They smashed into a post, which most cars will flip head over heels at that point.
The filmmakers tried a different stunt, but the Audi R8 space frame still prevailed.
So our man was supposed to grab the top of the roof of the car and split it open. Most cars, you stick in these cars, it just peels right open like a sardine can. Not the R8.
In the end, they scrapped the stunt. The body and space frame held up to repeated attempts at destruction. The filmmakers were so impressed by the R8, they gave it another starring role. The latest version of the R8, the convertible Spider, appears as Tony Stark's ride in the Iron Man sequel. The soft top has the R8's signature space frame, with roll bars replacing the roof. Whether the model is a coupe or a convertible, a strong skeleton like this one is the result of precision work and a thorough inspection. A CT scan checks the dimensional accuracy of every single component. 95 laser sensors check a total of 220 points on the structure in the space of just 5 seconds. They can detect flaws as tiny as 1/100th of a human hair. Now the R8 skeleton is ready for its skin. The workers attach the aluminium panels that give the sports car its distinctive line. Bonnets, boots and doors are positioned and fixed to the frame. The R8 is starting to look like a car.
We must be precise in measurements so the door closes right. The maximum gap allowed is 1 millimeter, and we have 8/10.
But there's one final step before the car leaves the body shop. It moves to a milling booth. Here, the line's most experienced workers finish the body. They use sanders and polishers to smooth any imperfections, no matter how small. Even a tiny flaw will turn into a major problem when the car gets a paint job. 2 days after the R8 began as aluminium parts and panels, skilled technicians have welded it into a recognizable shape. Now it heads to the paint line. A 4-day process that can be compromised by a speck of dust.
This April, the National Geographic Channel honors Earth Day with a special focus on the ocean. Studying possibly the world's most bloodthirsty fish is all in a day's work for Sharkmen. We shed light on history's most hated villain in a week-long presentation, Hitler Revealed. For a week, join us as we separate fact from faith surrounding the Great Easter Mysteries. We have a very exciting month for you this April on the National Geographic Channel.
One mega cruise ship for 3,000 guests, overstressed workers, fulfilling requests, dancers rehearsing, forgetting their cues. Wait, somebody's missing! Now he's blown his fuse! What you doing? Mess in the kitchen, smoke on the hall. Despite all the drama, we'll still have a ball. So all hands on deck, 'cause this is life on a cruise ship as you've never seen it before.
Cruise Ship Diaries, Tuesday at 10 on the National Geographic Channel.
Now, Audi turns to robots to give the R8 its individual character in vivid color. There is a standard palette of 9 different shades and metallics. But Audi will paint the R8 any color the customer wants. Whatever the choice, the right paint job takes time. Underneath the R8's sleek finish is a 4-day, 5-stage journey through the robotic paint line. First up, the naked aluminium body arrives from the body shop. Next, the body needs corrosion protection. This is where the electrostatic coat, or E-coat, comes in. The conveyor completely submerges the body in a dunker tank. Inside the tank awaits 450,000 liters of E-coat paint. Next, humans must leave the room. Within seconds, it will become a high-voltage killer. With the room clear, a surge of 400 amp electrical current rolls through the